A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you again into my video, and here I am going to discuss about one of the most shocking incidents that has recently happened. And yes, I am talking about one of the major industrial accident that took place in Maharashtra, and that accident is because of the explosion in a reactor in a chemical industry, where so many people have lost their lives, especially the workers and the poor pupils. So many pupils are under fatal injuries, and the local residents, the poor, the shops are affected because of that. And it is not the first time. It is happening in India since so many years. Whether we talk about 2016, 2018, 2020, 2023, 2024, and this year itself we have seen recently the accident in the Gujarat gaming industry. But nobody talks about the people, those who have lost their lives. Nobody talks about the poor workers. For those, the violations of the safeties are taking place year by year. Because of the sake of money, because of gaining more and more profit, the owners of these factories are continuously violating the safeties that should be provided for these poor people as per the International Labour Organization. But nobody talks about it. Even the governments are very ignorant. We talk about the inspections. So I will give you the data of these inspections in our country, which should be done to inspect the condition of these industries. So as per the data, if we talk about the state Maharashtra, the inspection rate is only 8%. In the year 2021, only 1551 industries were inspected out of 6400. That means only 23% were inspected. If we talk about other two industrial states, which are Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, the condition is not fruitful, but it is better than Maharashtra. The inspection rate in the state Tamil Nadu is 17% and 25% for hazardous industries. The inspection rate in Maharashtra is 29%. If we talk about the national average, it is 14%, which is also very less. So why these inspections are not being carried? The reasons are many, but one of the major reasons is the less appointment of the inspectors. The appointment rate in the state Maharashtra is 39%. The appointment rate in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat is only above 50%. So again, it is very less. So why these inspectors are not being appointed? We should ask from the government. Why these poor people are only becoming the victims of such accidents? Because what happened at the end? These victims would be provided with some amount of money as a compensation. The compensation is provided to their family, but the family who have lost their loved one will not come back, and nobody talk about it. Heartening is that even the government, even the people doesn't talk about it. They don't discuss about it what is happening, and the poor people in our country will continue to suffer if we do not welcome the reforms. The reforms such reforms are coming in the judiciary sector, the reforms are coming in the agricultural sector, in the defense sector, but the reforms are not coming in the industrial sector. So we should ask from the government, up to how many years, up to how many months these poor people will continue to suffer. The government should not abrogate its fundamental duty to provide safe working environment to these people, because the rich people will continue to enjoy their profits, will continue to enjoy their life, but these people will continue to suffer. And as per the data, it is also found that even the inspection, the least inspection that has been taking place in our country, among them so many inspections were handled with the money. That means the bribes are taken by these inspectors. So who was playing the game? The money, owners of these industries, and these inspectors. So these are much needed reform, and we need to ask questions from the ruling government. Thank you.